Introducing Tejo ERP's new feature. To protect your system, Tejo ERP has launched a new feature called Two-Factor Authentication. Now let's see the simple steps to enable two-step authentication and keep your data safe. Here, go to Company Management Settings. General Settings, enable the Two-Factor Authentication option and click Update to save the changes. Now two-step authentication is enabled. Next, we'll see how it works. Now you will see the mobile screen on the left side. Download the Microsoft Authenticator app from the Play Store, or you can also use the Google Authenticator app. I'm installing the Microsoft Authenticator app. After downloading, open the app and make sure you sign in. If the app is uninstalled or deleted, you may lose your verified IDs. Once signed in, allow all the mandatory permissions. Then go to Verified IDs, tap Scan a QR code, allow camera permission, and scan the Tejo ERP QR code. Now click on Scan a QR code and scan the QR code. Once the scan is complete, you will see the Authenticator ID. Click on it to view the OTP. This OTP is valid for 30 seconds, and after that, a new OTP will be generated. Enter the current OTP in Tejo ERP. You can use the backup code also, then click Verify and Enable to complete the process. Now your ID is saved in the Microsoft Authenticator app. Next time you log in, you will need to enter the OTP again. If the admin Authenticator ID is lost, please contact the ERP admin to reset the authentication. The same process applies to employee users. Each employee can log in using their own Authenticator app. If an employee forgets or loses access to the OTP, go to the Human Resources module. Open User Master and use the Reset Authentication option. After resetting, the user can scan the QR code again and re-enable authentication. Now, when the user log in again, they will need to enter the OTP. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app, tap on your user ID, and you will see a new OTP. Enter this OTP in Tejo ERP and click Verify to complete the login. Using two-factor authentication, your data is now secure and safe. Enable it and protect your Tejo ERP account. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with Tejo ERP and let's grow your success together.